Good morning, students, and assalamu alaikum, everyone. Students, today our topic is comparing like fractions. Okay, today we will learn how to compare like fractions. So, look at these circle shapes. We can see that these circles are divided into four equal parts. Okay, look at this shape. It's also divided into four equal parts, and this shape circle is also divided into four equal parts. So we can see that this circle is divided into 1 out of 4 equal parts. 1 out of 4 equal parts. Okay, so one is shaded blue color. So how can I represent this colored area by using fraction? So the total number of parts in which circle is divided is 4. Total area is 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And 1 out of 4 part is shaded. You can see 1 out of 4 parts is shaded. So how we will write it? So students, I will represent the fraction of first circle 1 by 4. Total parts are 4 and 1 is shaded. Look at the next circle. This circle is also divided into equal parts, 4 equal parts, and 3 parts out of 4, 1, 2, 3, and 3 parts out of 4 are shaded. So I can represent the shaded area as the shaded area are 3. So 3 out of how many total parts? 4. Okay. Okay students, now if I ask you which of these fraction is greater or bigger, can you tell me? Can you tell me? Okay, well, as you can see, this circle has a greater area. Okay, which is colored. So we can say clearly that the colored area of this 3 by 4 is more than 1 by 4 because 3 out of 4 equal parts will always be greater than 1 by 4. So the fraction 3 by 4 is greater than 1 by 4. Okay, how we will, so 1 by 4 is less than 1 by 4 is less than 3 by 4. So I represent it by using the less than symbol. 1 by 4 is less than. This symbol shows less side and this is greater side. Okay, this open side is greater and this is less side, that is closed. So now observe something very important thing over here. The denominators are same. You can see, students, the denominators are same. Okay, here is the denominator 4 and here is also the denominator 4. So we can say if the numerator is greater, the greater is the value of fraction, because here the denominators are same, it means this is the like fraction. Okay, as we know that when the denominators are same, this is called the like fraction. So when the fraction is like fraction, we will see its denominator. So which denominator is bigger? This one, 3 is bigger than 1. So we can say in these fractions that if the denominators are the same, the fraction with greater numerator, these are the numerators 1 and 3, these are the numerators. So if the denominators are same, okay, so the fraction with greater numerator, which is the greater numerator, 3 or 1? Of course 3. Okay, so it will be the, so the fraction, in this way the fraction with greater numerator is bigger. So which one is greater? This one, 3. So this fraction is greater. Okay students, now once again these circles are divided. Now I make 3 more circles. So these circles are divided into 4 equal parts. Okay, you can see 4 equal parts, out of 1 is colored. So we will write it 1 by 4. 3 colored parts out of 4. So 3 out of 4. Here again 4 equal parts out of 2 are colored. So we will write 2. How many total parts? 4. So here this 1 by 4 represents, now 1 by 4 means 1 out of 4, and 3 by 4 means 3 out of 4, and 2 by 4 means 2 out of 4. As you can clearly see, this region or area is bigger than this region. This area is bigger than this area. Okay, for example, okay students, you can see 3 by 4, this portion is bigger than this portion. Okay, so first we will write 3 by 4, and then this portion is bigger than 2 by 4, so then the second number will be 2 by 4, and this area is, this colored area is bigger than this area, so in the last we will write 1 by 4. So we arrange the numbers according to their area. Okay, 3 is bigger than 2 and then 1. This is the greater area, and then look at this area and the last. Okay students, as you can see clearly, 3 by 4, the area of 3 by 4 is bigger than the area of 2 by 4. So how we will write it? First we write it here. Okay, the next one is, then this area is bigger